In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover how we connect FieldMagic to Google BigQuery. This enables us to then query our data, the entire database, direct from things like Microsoft Power BI and Google Looker Studio or any other BI tool that we might want to have. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enable the data integration. Okay, I'm going to put in the address of a Gmail or Google Apps address. So if you don't have a Google Apps, or if you're not running Google Apps for your system, what you can actually do is just create a free Gmail address and that will work. We're going to semi-authorization. Okay, and this is what that email looks like. So I'm going to click that approval link. That approval gets sent to every administrator within your organization or within the FieldMagic system. And I can now go to my data warehouse and I can see that it's now connected. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a Google Chrome account with that email address.